Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you want to change. Once signed in, make sure you have at least one backup method available. Keep backup codes or a secondary phone nearby in case verification prompts appear. Now navigate to My Account. Google. Choose Security, and click Two-Step Verification to enter the settings page. You're doing this to avoid losing access. Make sure you can receive codes before making any removal actions, because the system will require reconfirmation for safety. Once on the two-step verification page, click Turn Off and confirm with your Google password. This is the step that actually disables the policy. After the feature is off, remove any phone numbers listed under phone prompts and delete Authenticator app entries from your Authenticator on your device. Make sure to revoke any app passwords that were created specifically for two-step access. Doing these cleanup steps prevents lingering tokens or devices from expecting codes that no longer exist and tidies account access. To finish, sign out and then sign back in on another device to confirm that two-step prompts no longer appear. This verifies the change took effect. If you plan to never use two-step again, securely delete or store old backup codes so they cannot be misused. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, immediately start Google's account recovery flow or use a saved backup code from before the change. If you still can't recover, check Google's recovery tips and prepare ID verification if requested.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.